What's up everybody, and welcome to my new video where we're going to Maiden my new quad with my new HD camera. The quad has a RaceDayQuads SourceOne frame with an older Emax Magnum V1 stack. The rest of the information will be in the description of the video here. The important thing is I have a new Runcam5 HD camera. The settings here show 1440p at 60 frames. It'll be in 4.3 aspect ratio, as you see here in the first half of the video. I'll show you that. The second half will be with the SuperView edit, which I'll also have a link to that in the description. But enjoy. Okay, in this last clip I've decided to put the two video types side by side. On the left you have the 4x3, again straight out of the camera video, and on the right you have the SuperView conversion, and that's all that was changed. So you can see them side by side and see the differences. I can say so far I like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.